As global energy fires occur frequently, and security crises are pressing step by step, at the nanometer scale, from the very beginning of film formation, with ultimate precision and hardcore manufacturing, reshaping the underlying barriers of material safety. Skyboys, focusing on water-based film aerogel composite materials, R&D, and production, relying on two major production bases and independent patented equipment, achieving precise controllability, green and low carbon, sustainable and intelligent production. As a national high-tech enterprise and a specialized, fine, peculiar, and innovative enterprise in Zhejiang province, with hardcore R&D strength and mature industrial capabilities for power batteries, energy storage fields, and other key scenarios, providing core material support, omni-dimensional layout of patented technologies. The R&D Center is equipped with a full set of professional equipment. The production base has passed multiple quality and environmental management system certifications. The independently developed water-based film Aerogel technology has officially obtained international patent authorization in Japan, South Korea, the United States, and Europe. Invention patents form a patent matrix covering multiple scenarios. The product has passed the CAAC 1000 degrees Celsius 30-minute non-burn-through test certification and passed the US UL94-5VA highest flame retardant certification. SGS testing fully complies with EU REACH and RoHS standards. Facing international patent blockades and technical barriers in the aerogel field, traditional supercritical processes are deeply trapped in a dilemma. Skyboys completely breaks the monopoly with its disruptive, water-based film Aerogel technology, opening up a track of independent innovation for China, using hardcore independent research, enabling Chinese Aerogel to achieve technological independence and industrial self-strengthening. In the future, we will be widely used in new energy vehicles, energy storage batteries, aerospace, energy security, petroleum and petrochemicals, supercomputing centers, fire protection, robotics, and other fields, building a solid line of defense for fire prevention and heat insulation across various industries. In the field of commercial aerospace, Aerogel felt builds an efficient thermal protection barrier. It can resist high-temperature ablation and block extreme heat flow when the spacecraft passes through the atmosphere, protecting internal structures and precision equipment, escorting every spaceflight mission all the way. In the field of supercomputing centers, Aerogel can precisely block the heat energy of computing cabinets, effectively inhibiting the chain temperature rise of equipment thermal runaway, blocking the spread and expansion of fire, building a solid safety firewall for data centers, minimizing the losses from sudden accidents to the greatest extent. In fire protection scenarios, Aerogel felt directly faces open flames and high temperatures, providing super strong high-temperature protection, empowering firefighting robots to be fearless of flames, going deep into the core of the fire scene to stably execute rescues, becoming a solid barrier on the front line of emergency response, setting sail for new industrial opportunities, based on the surging tide of the new material revolution, anchoring the vent of the new era, aiming at the 100 billion blue ocean track of global aero goals, relying on an elite team integrating R&D, production, sales, and finance, with core independent R&D capabilities across the entire chain, accelerating the global implementation of water-based film aerogel technology, aspiring to become a new material game-changer that reshapes safety boundaries. With hardcore Chinese technology, safeguarding global industrial security.